Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes Benz ML350, the W166 chassis. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can change the liftgate height setting. So right now when I open my trunk, it opens to this much height and stops. So if you want to open this higher or lower, all you do is once this is open, you grab this and pull it to where you want the height to be. So I want it to be open all the way. Once it's like this, you're going to press this stop button and hold it until you hear a beep. Once you hear it, let go and then close the trunk. And now if I open the trunk, it opens up all the way. And now if I want to adjust it, say to like half the height, if I want to keep it right here and have this be the height, then again just press and hold the stop button until you hear one beep. Let go and then close. So I hope this video helped you guys out on how to change the tailgate setting on your Mercedes Benz SUV. Please give it a like and share, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.